Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a skincare video today. Fun. I haven't done a lot of skincare videos on my channel, but I do have some really staple favorites. Basically, the products that I find myself repurchasing or that I will repurchase because I love them so much. Before we get into this video, please let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite staple skincare product that you have found that you would recommend to everyone? I'm always down to try new skincare and I would love to know your guys' favorites. If you're new, I'd love if you consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. So let's start with a staple. I think a lot of people know about this product. That is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. This is the scented cranberry pomegranate one. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't tried it on my face yet, but just the original Ultra Repair Cream is the one that I have gone through and loved, and I always feel like it calms my skin down. I use it night and day, but I really loved using it for when I felt like my skin was just breaking out and I really wanted it to calm down quickly because I felt like overnight my skin would look better. It doesn't leave any kind of residue on your skin. Sometimes personally, I like my skin to feel juicy and dewy. This doesn't really do that though, but it's not something that sinks in instantly and makes your skin feel dry or anything. It's the perfect in between. But yeah, I mainly just use it because I feel like it calms my skin down so much, and that's why I purchased another little tub. I found this at TJ Maxx. If I feel like the scented version doesn't work really well for my face, I don't think there's a ton of fragrance in here or anything, but just in case, then I will purchase the original again because I loved it so much and I can't be without it. Let's talk about a serum. So I have this Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum from Pharmacy, and I'm almost out of this, which makes me so sad because I love it so much. It smells like honey, like Manuka honey. I honestly feel like it does what it says. That hyaluronic acid really plumps your skin. I love the thin texture of it. It goes on so easily. It has paired well with every moisturizer that I've used it with. I don't know, it just does something to make your skin look younger, I feel like, especially if you have more mature skin or something. I think this is a great one. Obviously, the name Feeling Good is supposed to have the insinuation that it's fillers for your face, which obviously you're not going to get the same effect, but it is going to give your skin that youthful, plump look because of that hyaluronic acid in there that is just incredible for the skin, and it really penetrates and moisturizes the skin. I'm not a skincare professional. This is just what I've learned and heard about hyaluronic acid and what works for me, and I really like this serum, and I'm so sad that I'm almost out of it because it is a little bit pricey and repurchasing it is gonna hurt a little bit, but it's just so incredible. I feel like this is a staple in my skincare routine now, so I had to mention that. Another product that I have talked about for years on my channel that I love so much is the Body Unburdened Beauty Blend Oil. This is a completely natural product. It's made up of a bunch of organic oils, and this woman does it from her home. She has a cute little shop on Instagram, so I'll have her Instagram account linked down below, and also of course the website where you can get these. They have a number 1, number 2, and number 3 blend. The number 1 is the one that I use. This is for normal skin, and then the number 2 and number 3, I can't remember which is which. I think number 2 is for oily skin and number 3 is for aging skin or mature skin. But yeah, I stick with this one, and I always feel like it gives my skin just the nourishment that it needs when it's feeling a little dry or just kind of under the weather. This is something that I personally use maybe once every week, once every other week. But if you deal with breakouts or skin issues like that and you feel like you've tried everything, switching to something natural, especially if your skin has never experienced that, it can really detox your skin and just give you crazy results. So I definitely recommend trying this. I don't use purely organic, all natural ingredient products, but I feel like I've gotten the right combination of things to work for my skin. I'm just saying, if you've never used a natural product like this, it has done wonders for a lot of people. It has like a very earthy scent to it that I really like. Another brand to check out that is very natural as well is the Navi brand. My lovely friend runs this brand and she does such a good job with these products. This specifically is their red kaolin clay, and this is like my go-to mask that I use when I want to just detox my face and pull everything out. It's incredible. They also have a face and body cream that is wonderful as well. It kind of gives similar results to this, where it just gives your face like a natural detox, and it has that juicy, moisturized, glowing feeling on the skin. I usually will use those at night though because of that. But yeah, back to this mask. I am not that much of a mask girl. I don't always take the time to mask every single week because sometimes I'm just lazy. But when I do, this is like my go-to because I know it's going to do what I want and it's not going to cause issues with my skin. I always heavily moisturize after this with the cream from this brand or the Body Unburdened oil. I'm out of the cream from the Navi brand currently. I need to order another one, but it is another really good recommendation in case you're looking for something like that. Another, I guess not really serum, but I use it in the way I would use a serum underneath my moisturizer at night. This one is a little bit newer to me, so maybe it's a bit of a cheat, but this and one other product I'm kind of considering as my honorable mentions, just because I haven't been using them for months and months, but regardless, I've loved them. So this is like a, I don't know what you call it, serum, whatever, with 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. It is from The Ordinary, and this is such an affordable brand. It is definitely worth checking out because they have so many good staple skincare products that are so affordable. So I definitely recommend checking this out because even if it wouldn't work for you, you didn't lose much money. But honestly, niacinamide is a really good skincare ingredient, and it's supposed to be wonderful for all skin types from what I know. And I honestly feel like since I've been using this, it has made a difference in my skin. It's pretty much the only skincare products that I've more recently introduced into my routine, and my skin has been looking clear again finally, because for a while there I just felt like all of my staples weren't doing what I wanted them to do or something. I don't know if I wasn't being consistent enough with everything, but I just felt like my skin was breaking out left and right. Every time a breakout would clear up, another one would come in, and it would just be more and more. But lately my skin has finally been clearing up, and it's been since I've been using this. So I feel like it does have something to do with it. I also just feel like my skin looks even and just a little bit better than it was. Obviously, like I said, I haven't been using this that long, but I've been using it like multiple times a week at night, and I do feel like I've seen a difference. And it's definitely a skincare ingredient that is recommended by a lot of professionals, and it's supposed to do wonders for the skin. So I do recommend The Ordinary niacinamide, or any good quality niacinamide that you can get your hands on. Okay, so the other product that is also sort of like an honorable mention is the cleanser that I have recently started using. This is the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I've heard multiple people talking about this, and I have been looking for the perfect gentle cleanser that still cleans my face really well and will even take off some makeup if I need it to. You know, I want it to be gentle, but I also want it to clean my face. And you guys know I talked about the vegan ceramide cleanser from Pacifica. I still like that one, but I did find that it is a little bit too gentle, and it doesn't quite, like, it won't take off mascara if I use it for that. So I wanted something that I knew was cleaning my face well enough that it would take off some mascara if I needed it to, and also just for convenience and everything. I feel like if you are the type of person that cleanses morning and night, that would be a good morning cleanser. This one just does a little bit more, and I do find that I can take my mascara off with this at night if I want to. Sometimes I don't want to go in with a full-on cleansing balm or a makeup wipe if I just wore mascara or something that day. And I can, of course, use my micellar water, which I'll talk about in a second. It's my favorite thing ever. But sometimes I'm just taking a quick shower and I want to be able to do it all in the shower. So this is really nice to do that with. You get 13.52 fluid ounces in this. It has a pump, so it's really nice for me to use in the shower, and I've been loving it. It's been making me want to only buy this cleanser. I don't want to speak too soon because I feel like I might have done that with the Pacifica one, but so far I feel like I will repurchase this when I run out because it's just that perfect, gentle, but still cleansing cleanser. And the only other cleanser that I've found that comes close to that is the Fresh Soy Face cleanser, and that one is definitely more pricey. So it's just like I'm saving money with this, but I'm still getting a great product. So I just have to say that. Next, we have that micellar water I was talking about. I recently just picked up the value size at CVS because they had it for like $2 more, and you get like so much more product in this. You get 23.7 fluid ounces, and I'm not sure exactly how much you get in the regular size. I'll try to put it up on the screen if I can find it online. I have gone through countless bottles of this, so I was so happy to find this huge size because it will take me longer to go through. I go through these so fast when I get the regular size, so definitely recommend picking up the larger size if this is a product that you already love. I have used the Bioderma one, and that one is good, but it's honestly pretty much the same thing, and it's definitely more pricey than this one. This is just the best and completely worth picking up. I don't care how you remove your makeup, and if you already have 5 different things for it, this will have a place in your routine because it is so easy and fast just to use with a cotton round. Sometimes I even use this with my makeup cleansing cloths. If I feel like they're not quite taking off like all my mascara or something, this will get it all off because I do use several different forms of makeup removing just depending on like my laziness that day or what I'm feeling. So I always find, okay, there is a cat coming into my yard. It's about to jump on my front porch. Oh well, okay. Yeah, I feel like this is definitely a product that you will find use for because, like I said, it's so easy to use and it removes so much makeup and it's not bad for your skin. It doesn't break you out, or at least not majority of people. Has never given me any issues, so love a holy grail product. Lastly, I just want to quickly talk about something that I guess this isn't something that has like changed my skin or like cleared it up or anything, but this is something that's so easy for me to use and I love it, and it's a staple. So I use 100% pure rose water for a toner. I use this after I've cleansed my skin, taken off all my makeup, and I just want to go over my face with a cotton round and make sure there's no residue of anything left over. Or sometimes I'll use it in the morning if I don't want to cleanse because I don't want to strip my skin, but I just want to kind of go over it with something. I love using Rosewater. I love this brand. This is the Rose Scents brand. I've seen this at TJ Maxx and Marshalls a lot. This specific brand, it's a beautiful glass bottle. The cap to mine is lost, but nonetheless, still beautiful. The scent of this rose water smells so pure and natural and beautiful, like stronger in a way, but not artificially so, than some other rose waters, which makes me feel like it's the best quality. Obviously, you can use rose water for different things as well. This is a spray bottle, so you can just spray it all over your face as a facial spray, which is great, but I like to use it mainly as a toner. But yeah, that's another thing that I find myself repurchasing because I just love having it in my routine. But that is all of these skincare products that I had to talk about today. These are like my staples that I repurchase. I know I only talked about one like traditional moisturizer, but that's mainly just because I find myself going through a lot of different ones and I don't really have one other than this that I find myself repurchasing over and over again. A lot of the times I'll love one, but then I just feel like it's too expensive, and even if it's not, maybe I don't find it like absolutely incredible, so I don't feel the need to repurchase it. So I feel like I switch in and out and try different ones. I love trying different moisturizers. It's actually like very fun for me. So that's why I just talked about that one, because that is a staple and that's kind of what this video is focused on. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please do not hate on me if I said something wrong in this video. I'm not trying to spread misinformation, but I am not a skincare professional or a dermatologist or anything. I'm just telling you guys what has worked for me and my skin. I really hope that you did enjoy the video, and if you did, I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.